Hello everybody. So here's one of the projects that we're going to be doing. Apart from just manufacturing spear guns, we also repair spear guns. So we do all sorts of different repairs. Here's a unique case. This spear gun was lost at sea for about a month, and eventually it was found by another spear fisherman who gave it back to its owner. And as you can see, they've scraped off a few of the barnacles and they've tried to clean it up as best they can. So we're going to go forward probably in the next 2 or 3 hours, do this, and then we're going to do a follow-up little video to show you what the product looks like after the fact. So when we found the gun, or when it was returned to us, the mechanism is still working. So it's quite interesting, just proof again to the testament to the fact that the products work really, really well and are reliable, is that, I mean, the mechanism, this was brought to us, nothing's been done inside, and the mechanism still works. And this has been in the ocean for a month, thereabouts. So mech's still good, just needs a good cleanup. And by the time we're finished with this, we'll have a really, really good looking little product. So we'll be straightening that up, for example, taking barnacles out. There might be 1 or 2 little blemishes left on the muzzle as a result of the barnacles, but it'll be in good shape after the fact. Following on from our repair, so this was the gun that was lost at sea for about a month. So we've taken it in, we've cleaned it up, we've replaced its rubber with a 20 mm band, we've reset the barb as it should be, we've coated the spear with a bit of diesel just to protect it. We have also put a new decal on the gun. We've cleaned up the barnacles off the handle and cleaned all that up and made it nice. We've cleaned up the mechanism, so that's perfect again, that's working well. And then also we've replaced the reel here just purely because the reel before this one was just one of the old style reels, so we thought we'd just do an upgrade for a customer. So essentially this was the gun, been in the sea for a month, it came in here, we did a little clean up on it, and this is the end result.